Five.
Watch your head, watch your step, use that hammer,
Watch your
please.
step.
Everybody.
Hi, mate.
During our travel today, we're going to remain seated with our hands on feet and legs inside the boat. Supervise children. Take your favorite hand, wave goodbye to everybody still in line. Eating, drinking, or smoking on board. Do not touch the jungle water, and it would be in your best interest to not try to have a beer talk to me in any way. I don't know how to play nice, I go straight to me. So, if you have an opinion, keep it in your mouth where it belongs. And now, I command you all to silence your cell phones and shut your cake holes, because the world famous Jungle Cruise is now proud to present me. That's right. My name is Michael. Today I will be your world famous Jungle Cruise skipper. Now, who's done this before? Anybody returning to us here today? Excellent. Love to see it. Is this anybody's first time? Any rookies in the house? Just you, I guess. Okay. What's everybody else undecided then? What does that mean? You don't need to raise your hands. I don't know. I guess we'll figure it out. So, all right. Well, we're here on the Amazon River. This is called Inspiration Falls. Now, first timer back here. I'm sure you're wondering why it's called Inspiration Falls. It's a great question, I'll tell you. We call it Inspiration Falls because on the first day that I was trained here, that's what they told me the name of it was. Name stuck ever since. Everybody say, ooh. Ooh. I'm sure that was inspiring for a lot of you. So let's keep going. We're going to continue on to the Congo River. Now, if you have never seen the Jungle Book, there it is.
The Jungle Book.
Now, the Congo is also home to both the big device, which is, that's weird. Where is everybody? I don't see anybody over here. Canoe? Canoe? There it is. Okay. Yeah, usually when I say the joke, people laugh at how that goes. Yeah. We're gonna start doing that. That'd be great. Think of the python? We guys got you freaked out a little bit. Alright, no worries. I know the python is scary, but this campsite over here usually has a lot of extra snake repellent lying around, so we're going to leave immediately is what we're going to do. We're not even going to bother stopping. We're going to keep on going. And I don't think we're going to paperwork, and I'm not interested in all that. Also, looks like they're having car problems. Or they're having car problems, they kind of have nothing to turn over. Alright. Move on. And this leads on to the Nile River. As you all know, the Nile River, the longest river in the world. It goes on for miles and miles and miles, but I guess they don't believe me, it must be in denial. Or something along those lines. There's also a lot of animals. Elephants like Jeffrey here, who I taught a fun trick that you guys are all going to be really impressed with. Louder. Like I said, very impressive. Now, the Nile River, we're going to encounter an incredible range of wildlife, everybody. And that ranges from here to there. Now you've got giraffes, you've got impalas, you got these random gray donkey horse things right here, don't know what they're about. And then this is happening. So if you take anything away from this experience, I want it to be this, everybody. Don't be a zebra. Don't laugh at, you know? Wow. That's lunch. Probably in no way worth it. Which I mean, I guess you guys don't have to worry about that, but I don't know. I tried to tell that guy earlier, there's no way to out on a rhino, and he think he'd listen to me of all people, you know what I mean? But whatever, you don't want to listen to me, you'd much rather go your own way. Ooh, okay, Stevie, fine, you don't listen to me. At the end of the day, you're a rhino. Now, I want you all to pass this tree over here, all the way back there. If you look way back there, you're going to see absolutely nothing. I want to remind everybody who's in charge around here. But this is all Smiley and Ginger. Now, they're a fun time for the Crocs until they're not. Because once they stop having fun is when Ginger has an attitude. When Ginger has an attitude is when Ginger snaps. And one real cookie. Now, this is Schweitzer Falls, everybody. Excuse me for just a moment. About it, other than it's named after some guy who found it named like Dr. Balls or something. So Doesn't matter. What matters is me. And speaking of me, I'm sure you're wondering how me even landed a job here. I think it's kind of plain to see, but since we do need further clarification, I basically took a crash course. I've mostly been winging it out here, just hoping one day my career would take off. I guess that's the tail end of that story.
Look, mate, hippos.
It smells like hippos. That would explain it. These hippos are very dangerous, everybody. They've already saved 5 of our boats this week. Okay, that was a joke, everyone. But it's 6 of our boats, yeah. But only 5 of those boats were mine, so we're gonna cool your jets, alright? I'm working on some new material, and let's just say, it's not going well. But whatever, broken boats are why we hire interns anyway. And our team is hard at work getting this boat back on the river. Although they seem way too occupied with the paint job, wouldn't you all agree? Yeah, a little bit. You got other things to worry about. Figure it out.
That monkey looks so familiar.
I hate it. It's the worst thing I've ever seen. Just, I don't know, I'm upset. I am upset, especially about butterflies, because like, I don't want to say this. We all know butterflies are really not what they used to be. Caterpillars. I now present to all of you the 8th wonder of the world. A round of applause for the backside of the waterfalls! Yay! Woo!
Eighth wonder of the world?
What's up? Now on the main Congo River, which means we're going into that temple. Now, going to that temple, you're only
Look, another crocodile.
That's right. Company mandated break time. So, Papa's gonna have himself a seat. You're all gonna stay seated and stay in the boat, okay? Good luck. Hopefully you all make it out. I don't like how that came off. I don't want anybody to get the wrong idea, I was kidding. I don't actually care if you make it out.
Oh, look, mate. See, that wasn't so bad. And now we've entered an elephant bathing pool. Now, this is a great photo opportunity, so if you do have a camera with you, you're free to take as many photos as you would like. Seriously, you're good. Don't worry about it, everybody. You don't need to be embarrassed. Because I'm telling you, these elephants are not embarrassed. As you can see, they all put their trunks on. I'm actually glad you brought this up, because people are always really worried about getting wet on a world famous jungle cruise, which, like, for the most part, doesn't happen. But it doesn't never not happen. That means that there's a lot of factors that go into it. How distracted I am, how tough an audience you all are, how many compliments I've received, 0 from you people, by the way. How funny I think it is to watch people push as we go through here, how caught up on your tennis shots I think you all are. There really are not a lot of factors that go into it. But the number one factor in all of it, skill. I'm so incredible at this job, I couldn't get sprayed by those elephants even if I wanted to. And I don't want to. That water's gross. Yuck. I'm so good. And why does it smell that way? It doesn't matter. What matters is that we're stuck in traffic, so now I gotta stall for time. Everybody bring it in. Actually, you're close enough. Now, most people assume animals are the only important part of the jungle. And they are important, sure. But plants are important as well, everybody. And here at the world famous Jungle Cruise, we have anywhere from 350 to 500 different species of plants, which is a true fact, by the way. So I'm going to take this time and point out just a few of my personal favorite plants for you. I'm going to point out my favorite plants for you. All right, here we go.
unbelievable. Look at this one right here, dude. You know the one. See, you want to run because it's electric. I get it. Now, enough stalling material. Back to your regularly scheduled jungle cruise. This is our lost and found, so if you did lose something, it probably ended up over here. Also, would not be a jungle cruise without a photo at the end. So, Alfredo over here has his camera set up for us. They're kind of a big group today, so make sure everybody's in it, okay? And it better not be blurry. You got a photo for me last week, it was so blurry. I'm telling you, I look like Bigfoot. It was crazy. Now, if you happen to be interested in that photo, you can look for it. You can turn it light if you want to. You'll never find it. There's not even any film in that camera. You just have to have the exposure. Alright, everybody, we're about to wrap things up here. But before you go, we're going to run through some safety instructions real quick. So, if you're on this side of the boat or if you're sitting in the middle, you'll be going out that front doorway. Everybody on this side of the boat, you will be exiting out that back doorway. Now, let's talk about all of you over here for a moment. Please do not go through the middle in any way, alright? Do not go over these middle crates. Do not go through this incredibly convenient gap up here. Definitely do not go under the crates.
Yeah. You know what's a better rest? Tiki.